Hello kids, today we'll be learning about bonfire. Bonfire is celebrated every 5th November in UK. So let's learn about it. So, what is bonfire night? Bonfire night celebrated on 5th November every year. We celebrate it because in 1605 a man called Gay Fawkes and his friend from York decided to try and blow up English government.
To blow up crowds.
Yeah, so King James won. Okay, blow up King James won. King James wanted to celebrate the fact that he had lived through such a treacherous plot and therefore ordered November 5th should be an official celebration for everyone in Great Britain. So how do you celebrate bonfire night? With fireworks. You can see a lot of fireworks in the sky, isn't it? Then a bonfire, or you celebrate with using sparklers, and we celebrate with eating toffee apples, jacket potato, bonfire toffees. So remember that 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I know of no reason why gunfire, treason should ever be forget. So this way we will never forget bonfire day, isn't it? So hope you learned a bit about it. So hope you all enjoyed bonfire night this year. Bye bye for today. Again we will learn something next week. Bye bye for today.